Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up UEFN or Unreal Editor for Fortnite. Firstly, download and install the Epic Games Launcher and install Fortnite from inside the Epic Games Launcher. Now, in the Epic Games Launcher, go to the Store tab and search for UEFN or Unreal Editor for Fortnite. Then click Get, it's free. After it's added, go to your library and install UEFN. Launch it and you'll be prompted to sign into your Epic Games account. Make sure your Epic Games account is linked to your Fortnite account. You need this to publish islands and test properly. Once inside UEFN, click New Project to start from scratch or choose a template like an island, race or shooter maps. You can also open an existing Fortnite creative map to edit it with UEFN. If you want better performance and more features, install Verse plugin or install Control Rig, modeling tools or other UEFN supported plugins from inside the editor. Use the editor to design maps, place assets, script with Verse and set game rules. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.